Alright, so in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to turn off and delete screen time data on Samsung phone. It's very easy and simple. First up, what you have to do is just go to your settings. Once you're inside settings, you just need to scroll down until you find the option of digital well-being and parental controls. Just simply press on that. And after that, you just need to press on the three dots on the top. And then you just need to press on settings. Right over here, you'll see the option of usage data access. Just simply press on that. And then it will show you this. Now this is important. It says if you want to turn off digital well-being, which is basically screen time deletion, it will take around 24 hours to delete that. But it's okay. Just simply press on settings. And then you'll see the option of disabling digital well-being. So it's just going to turn off and delete screen time on your Samsung phone. You just need to turn this option off. I don't want to do that, but if you want to do that, just simply go ahead and turn this option off and you're good to go. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon next one.